Hey guys, welcome back again. I hope you watched the previous video. So in this video, what we are going to do, we'll do a little bit enhancement for the NoteVerse. And in previous video, I mentioned that we will be working on the login stuff. But you know, for now, just forget about the login stuff because we want to make sure that there should be something special in the project. So it should make the project stand out, right? So I created an extension called NoteVerse, obviously. So it's an extension, okay? So what this extension does, let me directly show you. So it's pretty awesome. Let's say this is an extension, okay? This NoteVerse, and it's in developer mode right now. When we you know make it as in a production, then we will notify you. So I enabled that extension basically, and I'm just browsing, and then I found something interesting. For example, this command. Okay, I need this command for every time, right? So what usually people do is copy this command and open your built-in notepad and paste it over there, right? And let's say that this system is not with you, okay? You are on another system and you want this copied commands. So what you can do, you will log in your NoteVerse, or you might might mention that we have the Notion or etc., right? So what this extension does is when you select some whatever data and right click, it will have an option like add to NoteVerse. So it will make a note for the selected text, like from which URL this text is selected, and this is the selected text. It will show everything. And let me do this add to NoteVerse. So it's created. Later on, we will do a little bit enhancement that notify the user that the note is created or etc. But let's say you are on another tab where you did not logged in NoteVerse. Okay, so in this, if I copy some text and try to do the same thing, okay, add to NoteVerse, it will redirect to the login page. So you need to log in or sign up to make a note of the selected text. So how it looks, so it makes you know a different and makes a project stand out, right? So this a little bit enhancement I did today. So we will make sure that will match the industry level code. Yeah, for today it is the update of NoteVerse that I created this thing. So yeah, thanks for watching.